Tong bikini. Mega love shout out. This is my tong. Hi guys. Hi Yusuf. Good evening. Ang ganda ng ano no. Ang ganda. Hi Yusuf. Good evening. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, guys. Then you will watch this after I premiere this try on tongue design. This is try on tongue design. Ang ganda, super like it. Super ganda, guys. Mega love shout out, 14 people in the house. Hi. What is your bed color? Your bed color. It is blue, light blue, or see the design, guys. It's very beautiful. Here. This is the design. When I wear this one, it's beautiful. So maybe if I wear this, guys, you can watch on my premiere later or sooner. I'll upload this color. Yeah, this design color, like this, guys. This is tongue. Today I try on, but in live stream I don't show you guys because this is my premiere. Sooner or later. Ang ganda ng ano no, design. Oh, later. I put it on later. I try on this, guys. Be my member, guys, if you want to watch this. I love it. Super beautiful, guys. I wash finish this black color. You see the design, guys. Super ganda. I love the color, guys. If I wear this, then you will watch on my premiere, guys. Be my member. Don't say that if I'm pervert. I don't like that word, guys. If you say that again, that word is not good, guys. So be careful. Or this maroon or red color. Super beautiful. I love it. You see the design, guys? What is your bed color? Parbat, mega love shout out. This one. I have 5 colors I wear. What a nice tongue, guys. Design. My bed color is black and maroon. Yes. You will see later, guys.